Today on Make It Take It Outdoors, the Winter Sucks edition, we're going to show you how to make a little beetle spin. And then also remind you that beetle spins aren't just for panfish, they can be for bass too. Stay tuned. So we're going to start off with making a hook at the bottom of this shaft. Spin it around there just like that. And then let's tighten it up just a hair. Not that much. It's a hook, not a loop. All right, so then we're going to take the whole hook and bend it like that. So it's now parallel, perpendicular to the shaft. Going to bend back this way. And there's a reason that we leave a loop like that, and that's to leave some room for the jigs. And then when we close it up, this just goes down and around, makes a little loop, and that will hold the jig. Now, the jig hangs by like this, so you don't want to make your next bend. You want to make your next bend perpendicular to that plane. I'm going to twist that just a hair. So we're going to go over here. And I'm just going to do a round loop. Like so. And then bring it up. So again, there we go. Up here, we're just going to make another round loop. There we go. Sorry, bad camera work. And on this top loop, we're going to put our barrel swivel, which has a little willow blade on it. Just slide it down to the round loop. And bring this around. We're going to go 1.5 times. I like having the tag end perpendicular to this loop, because now I can come in with my cutters, hold that tag in so it doesn't go flying off into who knows where. I'm in the kitchen right now, so if my wife were to step on that little piece of stainless, she would not be happy. Let me get this stuff out of the way. All right, and there you have it. That's all it is. Now, the we can put this little jig on. There's a little tiny guy, but what I've been doing a lot is taking these little jigs and tipping them with either a gulp alive maggot or the little minnows they sell in the tiny little jars about like that. You get like 100 of them for $6. And I tell you, the panfish, especially bluegill, love them. Actually, I need to turn it this way, don't I? You guys have to forgive me. My eyes are not what they used to be. So just clip that on there. You slide this under to close it. There you go. Closer up of that. And there you go. You got a beetle spin. Now, beetle spins are great for panfish when they're like this. But you can use heavier wire and go for larger species. Crappie, smallmouth, largemouth, they all would go for this. Pretty much what a beetle spin is a very versatile spinnerbait platform. I'm into things where I can change them up. I can change the hook and everything down here, a different jig style, the soft plastics. I can always swap out the blades. Something else I can do is if I were to take a small worm hook, I could put a worm on there. Now, if I'm going to make a platform for worm hooks, I need to take this bend here. And instead of running this way, it would actually have to be twisted so it would hook through the worm hook. But yeah, these are great little baits. I had a friend, first time I ever saw one of these, my friend pulled it out. We were fishing, we were getting skunked. And he's like, I always catch something on these. And he did. He caught a little rock bass. So he did not get skunked. I did because I did not have them. I'd love to take these out fishing right now. However, it's cold. It's like 10 degrees out there. We're getting 7 inches of snow tomorrow. February 2021 has been a very snowy month in Ohio. We're supposed to get about 15 total for the week. So in the meantime, I'm just going to be making lures for you. Hope you enjoyed this build, and off to the outro. All right, so there you have it. As you can see, it's been a snowy winter here in Ohio. We have up to 15 inches coming this week. I don't have any ice fishing gear, so this is all I got right now. Also, I want to thank you guys. We hit 400 subscribers this week. That's awesome. I really do appreciate it. If you are just tuning in for the first time, do the like, subscribe, all that good stuff. But most importantly, leave me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if there's anything else I can do better, or something you want me to figure out how to make a build on. In the meantime, I'm going to let you go. Go back inside because it's cold, and tight lines.